Welcome to my channel Mathpedia. Today I will discuss exercise number 7.1 of NCERT book, that is indefinite integrations, first exercise. In question number 1 of exercise 7.1, find an antiderivative or integrals of the following functions by the method of inspection. Here given that by the method of inspection. So how we solve this one? First one given sin 2x. You solve it by method of inspection. How we solve it? We look at the function for the derivative is sin 2x, whose derivative is sin 2x. So first thing, you know that ddx of cos 2x equals to 2 into sin 2x, and here is minus sin. So that means derivative of cos 2x equals to minus sin 2x. So next step, here minus 1 by 2 ddx of cos 2x equals to sin 2x. Okay, so that means you can put it ddx of minus 1 by 2 cos 2x equals to sin 2x here. Okay, so sin 2x, whose derivative? Minus 1 by 2 cos 2x, its derivative is sin 2x. So antiderivative, here integration means antiderivative. So antiderivative of sin 2x, antiderivative of sin 2x equals to minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. You can say that here. So antiderivative of sin 2x is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Okay, so this is the method of inspection. So how you solve it? You have to know whose derivative is sin 2x here. Okay, similarly you can solve next sum. Next second number sum, here given cos 3x. You can solve it in method of inspection using this one. How you solve it? You have to know whose derivative is cos 3x. So easily similar method you can use here and you can solve it. So you see here, from here we seen that integration of sin 2x dx means minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. Okay, you have to put here plus c because when you integrate it, but here given antiderivative, just you find out antiderivative, that is why here not put it plus c, but in integration we usually we put it plus sign. Next one, we solve it using formula. Okay, this kind of method of inspection, this kind of sum will not come in your exam, just you. So therefore integration of cos 3x dx equals to, what is the integration? Here formula is another formula, integration of here this one sin ax in general formula equals to minus 1 by a cos ax plus c. Okay, same way this one, integration of cos ax dx equals to minus 1 by a plus 1 by a sin ax plus c. Okay, so what is its integration? Here 3 in replace of a, here 3, so 1 by 3 sin 3x plus c. This one is your integrating constant. Okay, next 3 number, integration of e to the power 2x dx. Direct I written this one This one actually in your book given method of inspection, which one I already discussed one sum. You can solve it by this method. Okay, but this type of sum is not. So what is it integration here? Same formula, e to the power 2x dx. So what is this? E to the power x dx equals to its integration e to the power x plus c. Integration of e to the power ax, when in ax, a is multiplied with the variable dx equals to its integration, this a is divided 1 by a e to the power ax plus c. So same formula we use here, 1 by 2 e to the power 2x plus c. C is your integrating constant, this c. Next one, 4 number, ax plus b its whole square. Its integration ax plus b its whole square dx. We don't know this type of formula, so how we solve it? First you break it separately. So a, you consider it a, this one you b, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is your a plus b whole square formula. So that means integration a square x square plus 2abx plus b square dx. Okay, next you can separately you can write it. So that means a square x square dx plus integration 2abx dx plus integration b square dx. So here you can take common the constant terms, a square you can take common, x square dx plus 2ab here constant you can take common, x dx, here b square is your common term, only dx. Here you use formula a square x square, here we use x to the power n, its integration formula. So x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1, that means 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2ab x, its integration here you consider as power 1, only x means power is 1, so 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus b square, only dx its integration is x plus c. So here a square by 3 x cube plus 2ab, here you can cancel these two, x square, here these two you can cancel it, plus b square x plus c. This is your value, this integration. I think 5 number sum easily you can solve. So I move to the question number 6. Here 6 number question here given, integration of 4 e to the power 3x plus 1. So first you separate it, 4 e to the power 3x plus dx plus 1 into dx, that means only dx. You can write it. So 4 you can take common e to the power 3x dx plus dx, always you have to write dx, okay, don't miss it. 4 here its integration 1 by 3 e to the power 3x plus x plus c. Why these 3? Because e to the power x, already I told here 1 by a will be multiplied. Okay, next move to 7 question number. Here given x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx, integration of this one. So how we solve it? First here x square, here multiplied another function, we don't know this type of integration formula. First you simplify it. So how we simplify? You just multiply it. If you multiply x square into 1, x square into minus 1 by x square, that means 1 minus 1. Okay, here minus 1 x square, here x square cancel out, here only 1, that is why minus 1. Then you separate it, x square dx minus integration dx. X square, you use that formula, x to the power n dx, integration of x to the power n dx. So x to the power n plus 1, here 2 plus 1 by n plus 1, that means 2 plus 1, here minus x plus c, x cube by 3 minus x plus c. Okay. Next I move to the question number 10 and 8, 9 I leave it for you. Okay, so now I move to question number 10. Here given root x minus 1 by root x, its whole square dx. Okay, so first we don't know this type of integration formula, so we don't know, so first you simplify it. Just a minus b whole square formula, its formula a square minus 2 ab, here a is equals to root x and b equals to 1 by root x plus b square, sorry, root x its 1 by root x its whole square into dx. So here integration of root x whole square, that means x minus root x cancel out, minus 2, here 1 by root x its whole square, that means 1 by x dx. So x into dx is then integration of 2 into dx plus 1 by integration 1 by x dx. So x, here we use that formula, integration of x to the power n dx, its formula was x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, here n equals to 1, so 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, and any constant terms, its integration always that constant term into the variable, that means x here variable. So 2 into x, its integration, you can take also common 2, then only remaining term is integration dx. So dx integration is x, so that means 2 into x. And integration of log x, here 1 by x, its integration is log x. Already I told that formula, x to the power n, integration of x to the power n dx, this formula is not holds when n equals to minus 1. That is the different formula for that kind of sum. So when 1 by x, that means x to the power minus 1, so x to the power minus 1, integration of x to the power minus 1, its integration is log x, and total integration is completed, that is why you have to add here plus c. So here remaining x square plus x square by 2 minus 2x plus log x plus c. Next move to the question number 13. Here given that integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 divided by another function, a function divided by another function, so you cannot separate this one. Okay, so how you solve this one? So first thing, you factorize this portion, that means numerator function you factorize it. So here x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. So how you factorize it? First you take common from plus to x square, remaining x minus 1 plus, here you can take 1 is common, x minus 1. So here you see both from both, here common is x minus 1, you write it, and here remaining x square plus 1. So this one you can write it as x minus 1 into x square plus 1. So here you write it this one, x minus 1 into x square plus 1 by x minus 1. You see this one you can cancel, these two you can cancel, so remaining is x square plus 1 into dx. Here you separate it plus integration dx. So next here x is 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x plus c. So that means x cube by 3 plus x plus c. Next I move to the sum number 17. So here root x into another function 3x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So how you first you simplify it, you multiply it, you will get 3 into x square into root x square into root x equals to, you can write it as x to the power 1 by 2. So x square into x to the power 1 by 2, that means you can add this, both base are same, you can add these two power. So 2 plus 1 by 2, that means x is to the power 5 by so equals to 2 to 4, 2 into 2 4 equals to x to the power 5 by 2. So here 3 into x to the power 5 by 2. Next one 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 into x. So that means x to the power 3 by 2. You multiply it and 3 into x to the power 1 by 2 dx. So complete this simplification, then you separate each term. So here direct you can write integration x to the power 5 by 2. From the first term 3 is constant, that is why already I taken common, then I written dx plus integration of x to the power 3 by 2 dx plus 3 into x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Next, that formula we use here, x to the power n plus 1 by n here 5 by 2 plus 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So here 3 into x to the power here 2 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus here x to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus x to the power 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Here in denominator 7 by 2, that means 3 into 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus here 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. As you simplify it, 6 by 7 7 by 2 plus 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 3 cancel out, 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Next, question number 19. X by cosec square x dx. So how you solve it? You don't know that type of integration, its formula. So how you solve it? So first thing, you know sec x means 1 by cos x and sec square x means 1 by cos square x into, in denominator cosec square x, that means 1 by cosec square x. You know that 1 by cosec square x, that means sin square x dx. Okay, so here it is sin square x by cos square x, that means sin x by cos x equals to tan x, that means tan square x, you can write it as. So tan square x, there is no formula of integration of tan square x. Tan x formula is there, but tan square x you don't know. So I will do this one first. You know that formula sec square x minus tan square x equals to 1. So here tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1. So here this one you write it as 6 square x minus 1 dx. Then you separate it, 6 square x dx minus 1 into dx, that means only dx. 6 square x it integration, 6 square x it integration tan x, and minus x it integration minus integration of dx it integration x plus c. This is your integration of that function. Next one, 20 number sum here given, integration of 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. So what is it? So first you divide it, 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. So 2 by cos square x, you write it, minus 3 into sin x, you take common, sin x by cos square x dx. So here 2 by cos square x you can write it as 1 by cos square x, 2 by cos square x here, this cos square x, 1 by cos square x, that means 1 by cos x means sec x. So 1 by cos square x means sec square x. So 2 into, you can write it as sec square x dx. You can take this 2 common, minus 3. Here sin x by cos square x. This one sin x by cos square x, we can write it as cos x into cos x. So sin x by cos x, that means tan x, another cos x is remaining in denominator, that means 1 by cos x. So 1 by cos x, you can write it as sec x. So this one is, you can write it as sec x tan x dx. So integration, this one integration 2 into tan x, sec square x it integration tan x, 2 into tan x, and this one minus 3 into integration of sec x into tan x dx, its integration is sec x plus c. Integration completed, you add a constant c. Next, in 21 and 22 sums given, the MCQ type sum. So for first 21, the antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x. So its antiderivative you have to find. Antiderivative means you have to find out its integration. So first you write it, its integration of root x plus 1 by root x dx in integration form. So integration, how you solve it? You separate it at first. So here you can write it as x to the power 1 by 2 plus integration of 1 by root x, you can write it as minus 2 root x dx. So here you can use that formula, x to the integration of x to the power n. So x to the power n plus 1, here n equals to half, plus 1 by n plus 1, here 1 by 2 plus 1, plus here n equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So here 1 by 2 plus 1, that means 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus here 1 by 2 minus half plus 1, that means plus half by plus half c. Here in denominator 3 by 2, that means it is 2 by 3 2 by 2 plus c. Okay, so which option is correct for this one? Option B. You see in B number option, 2 by 3 x to the power, sorry, not B, this one, sorry, C number option is correct. 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 here plus c. So option C is correct. This one, option C is correct for this sum. 22 number sum, same sum here. Find the antiderivative. In 22 here given that ddx of f of x is equals to 4x cube minus 3x to the power 4, such that f of 2 equals to 0, then f of x is, so you have to find out f of x. So how you solve it? Its antiderivative is f of x, so its integration is f of x. That means, so you have to find out its integration, then you will get f of x. So f of x means f of x equals to integration of 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power 4 dx. Okay, so integration, how you solve it? First you separate it. Directly I separated this one, already you know this one, plus always dx here, sorry, dx also here. So 4 into x to the power 3 plus 1, that means 4 by 3 plus 1, 4, minus integration 3 into minus 4 plus 1 means x to the power minus 3, minus 4 plus 1, that means minus 3 plus c. So here 4 cancel out, x to the power 4, 3 cancel out, and minus into minus plus x to the power minus 3 plus c here. Okay, so here you can write it as x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. This is the value, this one. So x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. But here another option is given, f of 2 equals to 0. So f of x equals to here x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. So if you put in replace of x is equals to 2, you will get automatically the value of this c. Okay, then you f of 2 equals to 2 to the power 4. In replace of, I putting here in replace of x here 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 its whole cube plus c. This one equals to f of 2 equals to already given 0, so that means 0. 2 to the power 4 means 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c. So c equals to minus c, you write it. So 16 plus 1 by 8, this one LCM is 8, value is equals to 128 plus 1 is 129 by 8. So c equals to here minus 129 by 8. So f of x function equals to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. So in replace of c put minus this one, that means plus and minus 129 by 8. So which option is correct? Option A. Here you see the option A is correct for this one. Today's video up to this. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe this YouTube channel, and please put your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.